During the Three Kingdoms period, there was a man named Wang Jun, a capable general who assisted Emperor Sima Yan in overthrowing the state of Wu and unifying the nation. His father, Wang Mu, a commoner, cherished his son and wished for him to achieve something more significant, not to lead an ordinary life like his own. He named his son Jun, meaning deep water, symbolizing the hope that his son would be as profound as deep waters, possessing profound knowledge and ability. He often said to his son, "I hope for my son to become a dragon. Study diligently and do not let down my expectations." Wang Jun took his father's words to heart, studied hard, continuously improved himself, and later became an outstanding figure excelling in both literary and military pursuits. He received significant recognition from Emperor Sima Yan and made great contributions to the country. His father, witnessing his achievements, was extremely pleased, feeling that his son had truly become a dragon. This story illustrates that hoping for one's son to become a dragon is a heartfelt wish, expressing parents' expectations and love for their children. During the Warring States period, there was a man named Shang Yang, a capable legalist who contributed to the legal reforms in the Qin state, leading it to become powerful. However, he was solely focused on personal gain, disregarding public opinion. He increased taxes arbitrarily, seized the people's land, and executed many who opposed him. His actions stirred discontent and hatred among the people and threatened his position. Once he intended to present a gift to King Zhao Xiaocheng of Qin, a golden tripod chariot containing a vessel filled with pearls. His aim was to please the king and secure his own power, but his plan was discovered by the king's uncle, Lord Qian, a loyal minister who disliked Shang Yang. Lord Qian devised a plan to thwart Shang Yang's scheme. He warned the king that Shang Yang, driven by personal gain, intended to deceive him with the lavish gift. Upon hearing Lord Qian's words, the king believed him and rejected Shang Yang's gift, rebuking him as disloyal and unjust. Fearing the loss of the king's trust, Shang Yang attempted to flee but was captured by the king's soldiers. The king ordered him to be executed by the brutal method of death by 1,000 cuts. This story illustrates that the pursuit of personal gain is a vile behavior, showing that those who prioritize self-interest over others' well-being and morality eventually face retribution and downfall.